too.
You know, we just left Virginia City, heading toward Fallon. It's not going to be a long drive, but it's already almost 1 o'clock because I did a little mine tour in Virginia City and they didn't open up till 11. So I tried to fly the drone, but I got the gimbal being overloaded and it wasn't working. So I don't know if I got dust in there. It wasn't level ground. There was a little dust and dirt and rocks. Couldn't find a good spot for takeoff. Bada bing, bada boom. So, and it was a good spot. Light winds, had a little hill there. Would have been nice. So, well, I'm on Route 50 en route to Fallon. This is supposed to be Ragtown, but there's nothing here. I drove past this. I didn't even see it. I couldn't find it. And all it is they got this trucks gone by, Ragtown crossing, dedicated to those pioneers whose determination brought them across the 40-mile desert to this spot and sweet water. We always want sweet water here. And now there's an industrial park, traffic all around here, highway, big wide highway, and there is a marker here, historical marker. And as usual, stop the vid if you want to read it. Okay, but there it is, right along the highway here. It's all that's left. It's one little thing.